Okay, so we're going to be taking apart this Lenovo laptop. I've already loosened a couple of screws. I got to keep going here. There's nothing hidden here. Everything is what you see is what you get. So just unscrew them all. So try and keep track of the screws. These smaller ones, these guys here, they go up front. I think the rest of them are all the same size, I believe. Some of them don't want to come out, but whatever. So we'll just kind of... Oh, crap. Turned on me. Didn't really want that, but we'll get that in a sec. So we're just going to pull this guy apart. Just like that. And like I say, it did turn on me, so I'm just going to turn it off here. Let's wait for it to completely turn off. There we go. Whenever I'm doing anything on these, I like to disconnect the battery. This one, we just pull it straight out. To remove the battery, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. 7 screws, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Battery comes out just like that. For the hard drive, here's the hard drive. 1 screw, unscrew it, pull this guy straight out. RAM is under here. This guy, I'm not gonna pull it apart. Well, you know, nah. Yeah, whatever. So you pull this guy out, just like this. There's your RAM. So you want to replace your RAM. I've got a link for the battery and the fan down below. So if you're replacing the fan is that screw. That screw. And that screw. So we'll pull this. We've got, this is the Wi-Fi for the Wi-Fi card and the antenna. Got another wire in here. Just gonna pull these out, nice and easy, just like that. And then there's your connection for the fan, and we just pull it straight out, just like that. That's it. Plug her back in, screw her down for the new fan, and that's all she wrote. Easy as that.